I've just got this new soldering station from Kaiweets, and I've got some wiring to tidy up and get rid of. Look at the mess in here. There is a lot of unnecessary wire in there. Now I know you can buy the ends for these and you can shorten it and crimp it, but I've always just done it by soldering. And it's a good opportunity for me to test the station out. So let's get on with that. So we're going to start with a relatively small job first. There goes my phone.
Eventually.
The KOT936 really does carry some great features without all the fluff and whistle and bells that you get with a digital unit. The analog control system is very, very simple to use. You've got a fantastic temperature range between 200 and 480 C. And you've also got the calibration pot on there if temperature specifics are important to you. Overall usability of this rig with the features that are included, including the other bits that you need to get running. Overall, I'm really, really impressed with it for the money. Oh, and incidentally, if you don't have a heat gun, let's get that in place, you can just use the heater element of the soldering iron. It's not always as easy, and you do have to make contact with the heat shrink, but it does the job. It's not quite as tidy as I'd have liked it, but I just wanted to test the soldering iron out, and in order for me to be able to give you my honest opinion, and I really, really like it. This is incredible for the money. And I have to say, I even used the lead-free solder because I don't have any flux, and it was just soldering nicer using that. And when I used it back in the day, they must have changed the compound because that worked really well. So maybe I can solder without giving myself the big C word in the future. That's it for this one, guys. Remember, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.